Welcome back today with Chef Ricardo cooking program. I want to say to you, Happy New Year when it comes. Well, remember a couple of days ago when we marinate the beef, and I said to you guys, I'm going to put it down for about a week in my fridge, in my freezer, for it to soak and make that season marinate straight through the beef. Well, I have good story for you and good news. 24 hours ago, I take it out of the freezer and put it in my fridge and let it thaw out. Well, today we're gonna roast the beef, and the name of our beef today is garlic roast beef. We're gonna roast it straight in that beautiful oven, and we're gonna put some more season and more stuff on that beautiful 5 kilo of good British beef. Then first of all, what I need to show you, I got some lovely seasoning right here in my bowl, as you can see, looking really nice. I got spring onion, carrot, rosemary, thyme, and we got some garlic, we got ginger, and we got white onion. So there's a lot of things in the process of getting this meat in the oven before we get it in the oven. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lay everything inside of this pan right here. Let's put in the carrot them first, then spring onion, and then we're gonna put some garlic. This is the garlic which we're gonna put right in straight of it. I got some basil dry leaf right here. I got some leaf right here. I'm gonna just put them straight inside of it. And this is the rosemary. We're gonna put it straight inside of it. This is just fresh onions. Let's put that piece. I got some fresh thyme, and then this is the white onion. Let's get the white onion straight inside of it. Here, you guys are gonna love this garlic roast beef today. Beautiful one. I know you guys are gonna love it. Then we have some fresh ginger. We're gonna put it on top of it. All of these I use 2 carrots, 1 large white onion, and 3 spring onion. This is the way the spring onion look. I use 3 of them, and I use 3 cloves of garlic, 3 cloves of garlic. Let's put everything inside of it. Beautiful. Then first of all, I'm just gonna flash this a little bit of olive oil right here. Beautiful. Look at that. Second thing, I'm gonna put a little bit of all-purpose seasoning on the inside of it, just like this. Then I got some older grain pepper right here. I'm gonna use some of this on the inside of it, like this. Then what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna get the beef. Let's get the beef. This is the beef right here, man. Look at this. This is just beautiful and nice. So let's get the beef inside of it. Then I'm gonna stuff the rosemary right inside of it like this. Let's put it on top of it, just like this. Then I got some more season off of it before. We're gonna put it straight inside of it, just like this. Beautiful one. These are the seasoning which we used the other day when we were seasoning up, marinating this beef for you guys. Beautiful. Then what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna put some olive oil on top of it, just like this. Beautiful. Look at that. I know you guys are gonna love this one. As you can see, looking really good. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put a little bit more of the all-purpose season on top of it, just like this. I know you guys are gonna love this beef. Beautiful one. Then what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna put the same way on a low temperature. My gas mark so far, it is on 6. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna roast it for at least 1 hour. Then we're gonna take it out, spin it around, and look at this beautiful beef today. I want you guys to enjoy the recipe, and remember, subscribe my YouTube channel. It's free. You don't need to pay me. Beautiful and nice. Well, this is the beef right here. I just take it out of the oven. I'm simple gonna just give it a little simple check to see how it look, but seems beautiful and nice. As you can see, looking really good. I believe I have to give it some more minutes in that oven. As you can see, looking really good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just simple pour some water on top of it, just like this, and a little bit of soy sauce, bring in the flavor some more inside of it. You guys will love this one. Then, as you can see, looking really good, and this is the juice down inside of it which we're gonna need. This is just really nice and beautiful. Enjoy the recipe, guys. I'm gonna just put it back in the oven for another 20 more minutes, and then we check and see how it look. Beautiful one. Beautiful. I want to say the beef is finished, looking really nice and beautiful. I want to say what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to share out some of this and make you guys see how this beef look really nice. I'm going to slice it and make you see how it look really nice and beautiful. I want to say enjoy the recipe and subscribe my YouTube channel. Beautiful garlic roast beef. As you can see, the garlic right here, all the burn, the rosemary, everything is just beautiful and nice. I want to say this is a perfect recipe for you guys. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe my YouTube channel. We have a lot more recipe coming out. As I always say, I'm gonna plate it up and make you guys see how this beautiful garlic roast beef look like. Enjoy the recipe. Beautiful and nice. So I got some coleslaw and I have some plain rice, and this is the beef right here. I slice off 2 pieces, 3 pieces, put it on the plate, and then I put it with a nice cup of rice. I want to say enjoy the recipe and subscribe my YouTube channel. When you subscribe my channel, when you scroll down, I'm gonna put a link how to marinate the beef before you roast it. It's a beautiful garlic roast beef, and I know you will love it. And it's a special recipe, different recipe, and it's just beautiful and nice. So guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe my YouTube channel. We have a lot more recipe coming out for the new year, and happy new year when it comes from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Bye.